Facts about black holes. Number 5. Black holes were predicted more than 100 years ago. It all started in 1915. At that time, Einstein developed his theory of general relativity. In his theory, Einstein described gravity not as a force but as a distortion of space and time, conceived together in his theory as spacetime. Months later, another German scientist, Schwarzschild, noticed that Einstein's theory predicted the existence of very strange objects, which show some bizarre properties. He noticed that if an object is compressed enough, the escape velocity from that object would be greater than the speed of light. And since nothing can travel faster than light, it means that it is impossible to escape from the gravitational grasp of that object once you get close enough to it. Number 4. Different types of black holes vary in size. Black holes can come in a range of sizes, but there are 3 main types of black holes. The black hole's mass and size determine its type. The smallest ones are known as primordial black holes. Scientists believe this type of black hole is as small as a single atom, but with the mass of a large mountain. The most common type of medium-sized black holes is called stellar. The mass of a stellar black hole can be up to 20 times greater than the mass of the Sun, with a diameter of about 10 miles. Dozens of stellar mass black holes may exist within the Milky Way galaxy. The largest black holes are called supermassive. These black holes have masses greater than 1 million suns combined, with a diameter about the size of the solar system. Scientific evidence suggests that every large galaxy contains a supermassive black hole at its center. The supermassive black hole at the center of the Milky Way galaxy is called Sagittarius A. It has a mass equal to about 4 million suns, with a diameter the same as the Sun. Number 3. Every black hole has a point of no return. The point of no return, also known as the event horizon, is a region of space that, once you go through it, you cannot escape it anymore. That's because of the strong gravitational field of the black hole. The velocity that an object would need to escape is greater than the speed of light. And since nothing can travel faster than light, it means an object that goes beyond the point of no return gets swallowed by the black hole. This is the reason why these objects are called black holes in the first place, because even light itself cannot escape its gravitational tentacles. Number 2. The singularity. In the center of a black hole is a gravitational singularity, a one-dimensional point which contains a huge mass in an infinitely small space, where density and gravity become infinite and space-time curves infinitely, and where the laws of physics as we know them cease to operate. As the eminent American physicist Kip Thorne describes it, it is the point where all laws of physics break down. Current theory suggests that as an object falls into a black hole and approaches the singularity at the center, it will become stretched out or spaghettified due to the increasing differential in gravitational attraction on different parts of it, presumably before losing dimensionality completely and disappearing for eternity in the singularity. Before we get to number 1, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified for new videos. Number 1. The Sun will never turn into a black hole. The Sun does not have enough mass to collapse on itself and turn into a black hole. In billions of years, when the Sun is at the end of its life, it will become a red giant. Then, when it has used all of its fuel, it will throw off its outer layers and turn into a glowing ring of gas called a planetary nebula. After that, all that will be left of the Sun is a cooling white dwarf. And that will be the final fate of our Sun.